Hey, Mr. Jason, this is Levi here. We're on 125 Ristona Drive for Miss Angel, and got this first test square right here where we got the crease shingle on the front slope right here. So we got ours for repairs. We're going to take this shingle out right here, and got this test square mapped out. So I'm going to get with that. I have the roof stake here, and then we're going to start on popping the shingles right above it up. Try to be as careful as I can. So we got this broke up already. Just gonna pick up, just take a little look underneath here. We do got some mat transferring already around the corner right here. Pop this one up right here. Yep, got some over here in this corner over there. Yeah, got some good stuff right there.
All right, we still got one more row.
Yep. All right. Now we're gonna go right above it. Pop these off real quick. We'll just go in here, show what's underneath here. Got a little bit underneath that one. There we go. Got some right here. Right there.
Mat transfer.
There we go. Got some right over there and some right there.
Yep.
There we go. Got a good bit right there on that one.
So, gotta do these ones too.
Yeah.
So that's the third row with mat transfer from just as a result of trying to attempt these repairs. That's the one that was already damaged.
Yep.
Yep. Just tiny bits of mat transfer all through there.
There's a decent amount right here on this side, I think.
So yeah, we're gonna have to include some pictures, but just because we want to wait on the opinion from y'all, we're not gonna proceed with the rest of repairing these shingles. Just because with ones that significant and, you know, reoccurring mat transfer on every row of that, we don't want to do repairs that aren't going to work and last up here. So we'll hold off and get y'all's opinion on that. Levi, unless you think that
I'm just barely breezing over it, and I can already hear the granules just coming off, and that was me clearly lifting up less than 25 degrees.
Yeah.
So
let's try one out on the back just to be double sure, but we'll send y'all the results of that too.